Well, hello, girls. Here are some self-care tips for the weekend. One, physical self-care. Make sure you do some at home, your DIY face mask. You can soak your feet, paint your nails. Make sure you have candles on for relaxation. You can stretch out, like a beginner's yoga routine or just simple stretches to release tension. You can also walk outside, spend time in nature to boost your mood and energy. Mental self-care. Your journaling. You can reflect on your week, write down your thoughts, create a gratitude list. You can also do a digital detox, like take a break from social media and focus on activities that ground you. You can read for pleasure as well. Dive into a novel, read an inspiring book that sparks your imagination. Then you can do some creative self-care, such as explore hobbies that you like drawing, if you like crafting or baking or sing. Just create a vision board for the year. You can also listen to music, create a playlist to feel good songs, to learn or play an instrument. You can just learn a musical instrument. Also, you can dwell on a project like decorate your room, repurpose an old item, or create something fun and unique. You can remember to also have a social self-care. Connect with friends, meaningful friends. You can host a movie night, have a sleepover. I'm not a friend of sleepover like that, but if you're grown, sleepover with a friend that you trust. Or you can plan a fun outing together. For the sleepover, I'll take that back, just for the older ones. Okay? All right, so we can also have a family bonding time. You can cook or bake something together or play a board game with family members. Finally, your emotional self-care. Practice affirmations. Write or say affirmations to boost your confidence and self-esteem. Meditate on your things of the Lord or anything that gives you a clear mind. You can spend 5 to 10 minutes focusing on your breath, to clear your mind. Finally, treat yourself with kindness. Allow yourself to relax without guilt. Watch your favorite show or take a long nap. Remember, I am rooting for you. I'm here for you. God's got us. Have a fabulous and an intentional week.